Hi guys, it's Jan from Jandle in the City. If you're new to my channel or if you're returning, welcome. Today's video, guys, is going to be a double unboxing from Chanel. So if you're interested in that, guys, keep on watching. So guys, before we get started with the unboxing, I wanted to unbox this item. This item here I've had since end of November, early December. These items we cannot get in Canada, and I see them unboxed all over YouTube from everybody in the States. I reached out to a really good friend of mine, T from Pink Butterfly Girl. If you haven't watched her channel, guys, go over. She's got amazing content. Subscribe to her Instagram as well. So I contacted her, and I was very much interested in getting one of these. Like I said, it was back in November. Her SA reached out to me. We corresponded back and forth. I was able to get one of these. So I'm so thankful to you, T from Pink Butterfly Girl, for doing this. You are amazing. So let's go ahead, guys, and unbox this item, shall we? So it came wrapped in this. So guys, it came in this envelope, which is my receipt, and the total amount in US dollars was $127.06, and that's from SAP. So let's go ahead, guys, and open this up. It is another item from Chanel, and I am so grateful and so thankful that she did this for me. So in this box, guys, you might recognize what it is. This is the Stay Polished Manicure from Chanel. It says nourishing, softening, and brightening. That is the hand lotion. Also comes along with the long-wearing top coat, and also with the 167 number ballerina. All items are made in France. Let's go ahead, guys, and we will open this up. Let's take it out of the box. And there it is, guys. You've seen these all over YouTube. Everybody converts these to a bag. I will be doing the same thing. It comes with the gold hardware, the gold Chanel, and it's in this really nice tweed with gold threads running through it. Let's go ahead and open it up, guys. Nice smooth zipper to reveal the inside. It does have a wipeable lining. Go ahead and take these items out. So the first item, guys, it's all wrapped up like this. It does come with a little booklet there, and it is a beautiful hand cream, guys. I have not tried this one yet. I'm very excited to do so. So guys, let's go ahead and take the cap off. And it just squeezes like this to disperse a small amount of lotion. It does have a nice little scent to it. Very smooth and nourishing. So let's go ahead, guys, and open the other two that came in here. They're all nicely wrapped. And this is the beautiful polish that came with it. This one, like I said, is 167 Ballerina. And it's in a really nice light pink. Great for summertime. Can't wait to use that. Next one, guys. And this is in the base coat. So I just wanted to say thank you again to the wonderful T from Pink Butterfly for doing this for me and making it possible for me to get one of these, because I really wanted one, like I had said earlier. Can't wait to try it. You are amazing. So guys, let's go ahead with the double unboxing from Chanel. And I've had these ones for quite a while. We'll start off with the small one here. I just love their packaging, guys. Go ahead. Any ideas what this might be, guys? Do you guys save all the flowers and ribbons too? Let's go ahead, guys. So guys, it did come with the little booklet and receipt, and it is there in its little dust bag. And it is there in its little dust bag. Let's take it out. And here it is, guys. I got it in this beautiful, stunning yellow caviar with the gold CCs on the front. It is just gorgeous. This is the first colored piece that I have from Chanel. The others are black. And this one, it was the last one she had. I debated, I was going to take it back, and then I decided, no, I'm going to keep it because she said this one sold out very quickly. So let's go ahead. On the back, it does have the 2 slip pockets for your cards. Around at the front, it does have 1 slip pocket there, and it does have a wide opening there. So if you look inside this one, it does have, I'm just trying to locate it, right there if you can see it, guys. There is the tag. That's really cool. So guys, my second item is in this box, and you probably already know what it is. So let's go ahead, guys, and open it up. Go ahead and open the box. Okay, guys, it comes in this box with the tissue that has Chanel all over it, and also the Chanel sticker. Go ahead, guys, and open it up to reveal this stunning, stunning scarf. Let me go ahead, guys, take it out of the box. I'm going to hold the box up so you can see the colors. They are just gorgeous. It's in a very, very pale pink. Remove the box, guys, so you can get a better look. It does have turquoise, mauve, greens, whites, blacks, any color that you could imagine. Go ahead and open it up, guys. It is 100% silk, and it is made in France. It does have the slingbacks. It does have the double CC. And the reason I really, really like this one is because it did have the handbag on it. And it does have the pearl necklace as well. Let me go ahead and fold it so you guys can have a better look. It does have the handbag there, guys. I love it. And also the string of pearl necklace. It does spell out Chanel in very, very large letters across the scarf itself. Let me go ahead and flip it up. As you can see there, there's the start of it. It does start with the C and goes all the way across and wraps its way around to continue spelling Chanel out on this scarf. I love the colors on this, guys. The very soft pinks, the greens, the mauves, the oranges. It is just a stunning, stunning, stunning piece. I cannot wait, guys, to wear this gorgeous, gorgeous scarf. It is just amazing. I love it, guys. So, guys, those are the 2 items that I got from Chanel. My silk scarf and my card holder. So if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, guys, and you like the content that I'm giving you, please hit that subscribe button, click that notification bell so you'll know when I've uploaded new videos. Follow me over on Instagram, guys, at Jandle Smith, as well as I do have a beauty line at Jandle Marie Beauty. So, guys, till next time, you have an amazing day. Take care. The close-up, guys, of the scarf. Look at that necklace. I just love it, guys.